Hi children, in previous class we have learned ordinal numbers that are called first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. Up to 10th we are called that numbers as an ordinal numbers. Next another topic, that is second unit, additions. Addition symbol what? In first class only we have learned addition symbol. You tell what is the symbol of addition? Yes, plus. Here it is there, no plus. Yes, plus means we should add two numbers. Putting two numbers together is called a addition. What you call plus symbol? Addition. Putting two numbers together is called a addition. When we do addition, plus is the sign. Means this is the symbol of the plus. Addition symbol. What it is? Addition symbol plus is the sign of addition. The number we add are called addends. Means when we take two numbers, 3 plus 2. Yes, these are two numbers. No, addends means if we add 3 plus 2, what will come? Answer 5. It is the sum or total. If two numbers are added, this is addends, and both the answer it is coming. If these two numbers if you add, this answer it came 5. What you will call for this? Sum or total. This is the sum, or another name total also you can call for this. Again I will explain. These two numbers are addends. Whatever you are adding these two numbers, 3 plus 2, answer what it came 5. What will call for this? Sum or total. Understood? I think that you understood. Now, see here in first class only we are divided ones and tens. For example, 33 plus 2. It is there. Yes, most of the children what they will do to do addition means they will count from the tens column. It is the correct one to do this addition? No, you have to count from the ones column. Remember children, you have to count from the ones column, that is from right hand side. From the right hand side you should count. You should not count from the tens column. Again I will explain. Most of the children will do addition from tens column. It is the correct one? No, it is wrong. So what you have to do, from ones column you have to count. That means right hand side. Yes, in first class what you have learned, by drawing lines like this you have learned. You have done addition. No? What is this number 3? Again what is this number 2? Count these all lines. Yes, count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Here in tens column many number is there to do count? To do addition? Nothing is there, no? Same number will come. This is a addition. In first class you did. Now no need to draw these lines. Now you can do the second class. And one more example. Ones, tens. 64 plus 4. Now in these two numbers are same. In these two, you can take any number. That means 4 on the mind and 4 in the fingers. 4 after what will come? 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, what is the answer here in tens column? 8. In 6, in one tens column, any number is there? Nothing it is there. What will come here? 6 only it will come. Again one more example. Ones, tens. 53 plus 30. Now count this here. In ones column two numbers are there. Now see here in these two numbers, which is a big number? Tell children, which is a big number? 3. Yes, 3 on the mind and 2 in your fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Where you have to write? In tens column you should write? No, you have to write in ones column. Next, in tens column what numbers are there? Yes, 5 and 3. 5 in the mind, again 3 in the fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Where you have to write in tens column. What answer it came? 85. Next one, ones, tens. From your textbook only I am explaining. 30 plus 40. Next, ones, tens. 32 plus 14. Now see here, in ones column 2 zeros are there. If from 0 onwards 0 you can remove, what will come? 0 only will come in ones column. In tens column, which number is big in these two numbers? S. 4 is a big number. Where you are, what you have to do? 4 in the mind, again 3 in your fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Total what answer it became? S 70. Next sum, ones and tens. In ones column, which is big number? S. 4 is the big number. 4 in the mind and 2 in your fingers. 4 after 5, 6. Where you have to write? You should write in tens column. No, you have to write in ones column. Next in tens column, what numbers are there? 3 plus 1. 3 in the mind and 1 in your finger. 3 after 5. See children, one more thing. In addition, any method you can follow. You should write in vertical or horizontal. Answer will come same only. See here. 6 plus 3 also you can write like this. 6 plus 3. This is called as a vertical addition. What you call this one? Vertical addition. This is horizontal. Any number you can add this one like this also. 6 plus 3. Count now 6 from the mind and 3 in your fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 9. Here also see. Here also 6. Same number. This is in horizontal. This is in vertical. 6 plus 3 what will come? Count now 6 in the mind and 3 in your fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Answer it came same, no? Sum or total is again 5 plus 0 means what will come? 5 plus 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Value means what number will come? Same number will come. 5 only it will come. Examples. 0 plus 4 or 4 plus 0. 0 plus 4 means I have said, I have no explained. What number will come? Same number will come. 0 I have no value. 4 only it will come. Or 4 plus 0 also 4 only it will come. Again 8 plus 1 means 8 after number it will come. 8 after 1. 8 after 1 9. 9. 8 plus 1 9. Again 9 plus 1. For 9 you are adding 1, it became 10. Means after numbers it is coming, no? It is in one type of addition. Okay, in your textbook, page number 30 and page number 29. Page number 29, vertical additions are there and horizontal additions are there. And page number 30 also is there. I will send you pics. Practice in your textbook or classroom. Thank you.